Hello everyone. Today we will use BladePipe to quickly create a CDC task. Let's briefly go through the quick start guide. The entire process includes 4 steps: installing the worker, adding the data sources, creating the CDC task, and verifying the data. The process is quite simple. Let's get started. First, log in with your Google account and enter the BladePipe console. Next, click on the sync settings and select the sync worker option. Add a cluster and name it, for example, BP test cluster. You can see that the cluster can be set to a region, and here we set it to custom. Go to the workers page and click to add a worker. BladePipe supports both Docker and binary package forms of workers. In this example, we choose Docker. After executing the script, you will be prompted to enter the configuration. This configuration is on the specific worker page. Get the verification code, which will be sent to your login email. Copy and fill it in to get the node configuration information. Click to copy the node information to the command window, and the installation process will start automatically. Wait for the installation to complete, refresh the page, and the worker status will be online. Next, we add the data sources for CDC. Go to the data source page and click to add a data source. BladePipe supports numerous data sources well. In this example, we mainly demonstrate the process by selecting local data source for migration and synchronization. Fill in the relevant configuration and test the connection, then add it. After the preparations are complete, we can start creating the CDC task. Go to the Data Job page and click to create Data Job. On the first page, select the source and target data source, test the connection, and select the schema for CDC. On the second page, choose Incremental and check Data Initialization with a default specification of a 2 GB memory task. On the third page, we can select some or all of the tables to be synchronized. On the fourth page, we can choose some data strategies, etc. Here, we default to synchronization. The final step is to confirm the creation. After the data job is created, it will automatically perform schema migration. If the table structure does not exist on the target side, then perform data initialization based on the creation options, and finally perform real-time synchronization. Make some incremental changes on the source side, such as changing the time of a field in a table. Then, by observing the logs or monitoring metrics, you can see that the data is synchronized correctly.